Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the seats out of your Jeep TJ. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need to remove the seats from the Jeep TJ, you're going to need a ratchet. You're going to need a T50 bit, one of these type of star bits here, in order to remove one of the bolts holding the seat. The other three are held in by a 13mm. So you need a 13mm socket, the T50 bit, and then a ratchet. Let's go ahead and remove it. Looking here at the seat, you have your two 13mm bolts right here. You have one here, one on this side, and we'll get a close-up of that. And if we slide the seat forward, here in the back, you have your other two. You have a 13mm on the door side, and then on the inside is where you have the T50 head bolt. There's the 13mm. Come here on this side. There's where the T50 will be needed. Okay. Coming here on the front, this is the one 13mm on the door side. And then coming along here, here's your other one right here on the inside. Depending how long it's been since you've removed your seats, sometimes these things can be in there pretty tight, so a little bit of penetrating oil is not a bad idea. Just to work in there a little bit, we'll let that sink in a little bit, and then we'll be back to try it again, because we're trying to get it off and it's moving, but it's really, really tight in there. I don't want to strip it. It's coming up. But I think I'm going to hit this with a little bit of penetrating oil as well. Let it sink in real good. All right, we've let it sink in. It's still a little tough, but not as bad. There we go. A lot easier. That thing was in there pretty good. That's it right there. Okay, we let the penetrating oil sink in. Let's try this one again, see if we have better luck with it. There we go. Still a little tight, but better than it was. There we go. Thing was pretty seized on down there. Now that all the bolts have been removed, let's go ahead and pull the seat out. Everything is removed here. The seat's out. You can do whatever you need to do, whether you're adjusting the seat or installing a new seat, or if you just want to get in here, remove the carpet, whatever you need to do. At least the seat's out, you have all this access in here. If you want to put the seat back in, follow the same process, set it in, put in your 4 bolts, and you're good to go. All right, well, that pretty much wraps up this video on how to remove the seats out of your Jeep TJ. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.